To which extent does Islam allow the alteration of genes? Up to which extent?
Alteration of genes are permitted to help the health and suffering, mitigate the suffering or remove the suffering altogether. So anything which promotes the human health and which is not forbidden must be used. So I don't see anywhere a commandment of Allah which forbids the transfer of genes to someone else. In blood transfusion also, the genes are transferred, but now they have discovered another system where genes can be implanted into a cell at the right place, where they can change the genital effect of some disease which one inherits from parents. So I don't see any reason why this should be forbidden. She has spoken about this in detail. Any change in the creation of God through genes or genetic engineering is false. And it refers to Satan in the Holy Quran. So I always tell the genetic engineers, this science is called genetic engineering, that they should abstain from trying to change Allah's creation into something which is a different creation altogether, like bacteria, some insects, etc. are now being created. So they'll take back. Like with the genetic changes, genetic science, they have created Molly, the sheep, dolly sheep. So they are thinking of doing the same experiments on human beings. So all this is going to be a very bitter experience for mankind in the future. Genetically prepared humans are going to, I think, rule their masters after a while. And the whole human system of mutual love and affection will be totally destroyed. So where there is a change in the creation of God, that is forbidden. Where these are used to promote the health of the creation of God, that should not be forbidden at all.